Alright, next one is this Happy Home. He got this last time I was here. He got it from Brian Peterson. Yeah, pretty cool fan. It's made by McGraw Edison. Other than the grill losing paint, which is a pretty common thing on these. The fan's in really nice shape. Also, avocado freaking green. It is 3-speed. High, medium, low. Happy Home. Not sure who sold this brand, but yeah. Your standard 3-rivet metal McGraw Edison blade. McGraw Edison motor. Some of these had this handle, some of them had a different kind of handle. Here's the back of it. It's got the full motor mount. Motor in the middle there. Very similar to that Coronado I just did a video on. Except for this one has the oil port thing there, and the Coronado does not. Lasco and McGraw Edison had a very, very similar motor mount design though. At the bottom, I don't know if there's an information tag in here. I don't see one. So yeah, we'll start it up on high. First one of these I've ever seen that actually runs smooth. And of course it moves a lot of air. Good running fan. Pretty quiet too. You go to medium. That was one thing McGraw Edison always did right, was they made really quiet box fans. And we'll go low. Honestly, you could probably hear all the other fans going over this. This thing runs really quiet. Go back to high. And off. Yeah, good running fan. Apparently this is one of Nate's childhood fans. He had one a long time ago, I guess. And other than the grills, this one's in really good shape. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and have a good one.